Okay, and let us begin. Okay, so my name is Brandon. I'm 31 years old and I am from South Africa. Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Huyền. I'm 11 years old. I'm from Vietnam.
Good job. And what color do you like?
My favorite color is blue.
Blue.
Yes.
Do you remember my favorite color?
Mm, I don't remember.
It starts with the letter P.
Purple.
Close. Pink.
Pink.
Do you like pink?
I don't like pink.
You don't like pink?
Yes.
What a pity. Okay, let's look over here at some jobs and I want you to identify these jobs for me. What job is this?
It's police officer.
And this one?
It's server.
It's a server. And what about this one?
It's a pilot.
Pilot. And this one?
It's photographer.
What about this one?
It's actor.
It's
an actor.
Good job. And what does he do?
He is he is dentist.
Yeah, he is a dentist. And what about this job? What job is this?
It's clown.
Yeah, clown. Yeah, good job. Okay. So now that we are still on the topic of jobs, if you look over here, we have someone doing a very dangerous job. Okay? And can you tell me, where is the man?
The man is in the sky.
Yeah, he's in the sky. And is he outside or inside the plane?
He is outside the plane.
Yes. And what is he doing?
He is jumping out of plane.
Yes, he's jumping out of the plane. Good answer. And what does he need for this job?
He needs I don't remember this.
Protective clothing, yeah. What else does he need?
He needs a helmet.
Yeah.
And pants. Parachute.
Yeah, parachute.
And shoe.
Yeah, shoes or boots, even boots. And can you tell me, would you like to do this kind of job?
I don't like this job.
You don't like it?
Yes.
Why?
Because this job is very dangerous and I am scared.
Yeah, it is very dangerous, you're right. So if not this job, what job would you like to do?
I would like to be a firefighter.
Be a
firefighter.
Yeah. Why?
Because firefighter, this job can have many people out of fire.
Yeah, you can help many different people out of fires. Good job. So you can help people. Now, let's quickly have a look at some music or instruments. Can you identify some of these instruments? Like this one. What instrument is this?
It's drums.
Yeah, and this one?
It's violin.
What about this one?
It's flute.
Good job. And what is she doing?
She is sing a song.
She is singing.
She is singing.
Yeah. And if she sings different kinds of songs, that means she is a
singer.
Yeah. And what is he doing?
He is dancing.
Yeah. And if he dances, that means he is a
dancer.
Yes, good job. Can you play the violin?
No, I can't.
Can you play the drums?
No, I can't.
Could you play the flute when you were 6 years old?
I couldn't play a flute when I was 6 years old.
Okay, good job. Okay, so let's quickly continue with some music and we're gonna watch a video and then we will have this conversation. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's watch the video.
What traditional instruments are there in India?
There are two popular traditional instruments, the tabla and the sitar. They're both very popular in India and in other countries too.
What do they look like?
The tabla looks like two small drums. The sitar looks like a big guitar. It's more than a meter long.
Okay. Now, let's have a conversation. What traditional instruments are there in India?
There are two popular traditional instruments, tabla and sitar. They are both very popular in India and in other countries too.
And what do they look like?
The tabla looks like two small drums. The sitar looks like a big guitar. It's more than a meter long.
Yes, good job. Okay, so now let's look at some different kinds of celebrations. And can you tell me, what is she doing?
She is throwing the stream.
She is
throwing streamers.
Yes. And what is he doing?
She is making
He.
he is making special food.
And in Vietnam during Tet holiday, do you make any special food?
Yes.
What kind?
It's chun cake.
Okay. And what is she doing?
She is wearing traditional clothes.
And do you wear any traditional clothes in Vietnam?
Yes, I wearing áo dài and nón lá.
Nón lá?
Yes.
Okay. Is it like a dress?
No, nón lá is a hat.
Oh, it's a kind of hat.
Yes.
Wow. That's new to me. And can you tell me, what are they doing?
They are playing party games.
Yeah, and what are they doing?
They are giving presents.
And what are they doing?
They are putting up decoration.
Yes, decorations. Good job. Now, let's have a look at some sport. And this is a very popular sport in South Korea. And can you tell me, what sport is it that they are doing?
They are playing roller skating.
They are
They are roller skating.
Yes. And would you like to do this sport?
I wouldn't like this sport.
No,
No, I wouldn't.
There we go. And because we're speaking about sport, can you name 3 sports where you need a ball?
Golf, basketball, and volleyball.
Yes, good job. And which do you think need water, ice, or snow?
Snowboarding and ice skating and sailing.
And sailing, good job. And how many sports can you play?
I can play snowboarding, ice skating, and basketball.
Okay. And which would you like to do?
I would like to do firefighter. I would like to do basketball player.
You would like to play basketball?
Basketball.
Okay, there we go. Okay. Now let's have a look at some values, and can you tell me, how can you find out about things that you don't know?
I think this.
So I can ask.
I can ask parents.
I can ask my parents.
I can surf the internet.
Yeah.
I can read a book.
Yeah.
I can visit a museum.
There we go. And you will learn about things that you don't know. Now here we have 2 pictures. They are the same, but there are some differences. Can you see any differences?
Yes. The purse in picture one is yellow, but in picture 2, the purse is red. In picture 1, the farmer is standing, but in picture 2, the farmer is sitting. In picture 1 is cloudy, but in picture 2 is sunny. In picture 1, this cows.
There
There are 2 cows in the farm. In picture 2, there are 3 cows in the farm.
in the field.
It's a field.
And where is the farmer?
The farmer is near the tree.
Good job. Never mind about that one. And that's it. You're finished. Good job, Huyền. That was very good. Okay, and you can take this off of your shirt.
Yes.